So DNS tunneling in OT, yes, it does happen. So DNS tunneling is abuse of the DNS protocol, which resolves domains to IP addresses. Now, a lot of people may think, hey, these OT environments are actually separated. You can't get to the internet. Oftentimes, that's not the case. Folks that push, hey, this is a one-way connection or air gap, very seldomly are actually a lot of the OT environments air gapped off. Yes, oftentimes you have like a Palo Alto or Fortinet firewall that has rules, and maybe they're filtering certain things. We go to sites to where firewalls often look like routers when you look at the sets. Nothing's actually being blocked. And other sites where they actually do have a really good mature set of rules that they're using. DNS though, a lot of PLCs and other industrial devices actually do use DNS. They reach out to their OEM site. Some PLCs also use certain DNS queries, depending on how it's configured, to different sites out on the internet. When you look at DNS tunneling, a lot of it works the same way of IT. You're essentially hiding packets in DNS, right? Ways of moving DNS, they're actually red teaming tools that either move data through DNS packets themselves out to sites or abuse the DNS protocol in other ways to send data out. This is possible in OT, and something to know is if you're not taking a good look at DNS, what sites are it going out to? Is it going out to a trusted site to where you can say, okay, this DNS query is probably good, or is it going to a random site where there may be a rogue or compromised DNS server that's passing data out? And so when you look at DNS in OT environments, it is important to understand this is a case where the attacks that can work on the IT side also can work on the OT side, as a lot of OT devices also rely on DNS.